Hey guys, this is Toy Tengoku and we're at our special Mega Hobby Expo episode. This is Mega Hobby Expo Spring 2018, and as you can see, first up we've got a giant QB figure or Ninetales from Naruto. Isn't this incredible? This is from their Gem series of figures and it's retailing for 88,000 yen, which is like the equivalent of about 800 USD. And you can see why, like it is massive. I don't know if you can like tell, even with me next to it, how big it is, but it is incredible. So here's more of MegaHouse's Naruto lineup. As you can see, the brand new in here is Shikamaru. I don't know if he's ever had a figure before. MegaHouse is also giving us his wife, Temari, which we'll look at in a sec, but let's just admire Shikamaru here. He's in his lazy kind of sitting pose compared to a lot of the other figures in the series that are much more dynamic. We've got Kakashi in the back. So also up from Naruto, as I mentioned earlier, we've got Shikamaru's future wife, or I guess depending on when you're watching it in the series, his wife, Temari. I believe. So we've also got their previous figures in the lineup. So we've got Sakura, two versions of Hinata and Tsunade. And then similar to their Naruto gals lineup is their Dragon Ball gals. And in here we've got a few of the ones that have already come out and the brand new Videl figure. So we've already got Videl in the front here in her ponytails, but they've also got her in her short hair version, and she's kind of battle damaged. She's got some tears in her pants and some like band-aids on her face. So that'll be fun to see colored. So this is the Alter booth, and the day before the event, Alter announced that they would be bringing a new Tales figure, and as you can see, it's Velvet Crowe from Tales of Berseria, and she looks amazing. Look at the level of detail in her hair. That is incredible, and her bandages are kind of coming off her arm to give it even more, you know, just room for them to throw in their A game to show off some more of their craftsmanship. It's really, really impressive. Next to it, they've got a figure from Full Metal Panic. Because of the new season that just came out, we've been seeing a lot of Full Metal Panic goods recently and model kits. They've also got a really cool Amelia from ReZero. She's got Pac there up by her side, and then she's got some of her like ice crystal powers kind of going off in her hands. Pretty cool. Amakuni slash Hobby Japan booth, and when I came by this figure before, I didn't realize who it was until I read the tag because she's uncolored right now, but this is Gwenpool. The shark backpack also kind of gave it away, but she looks really cool. She's also a bigger scale. She kind of looks like 1/7 to me, but it doesn't say anything about the scale on the tag. But this should be a really interesting one. I can't wait to see it colored. also from Alter, we've got an amazing Saber figure. She's in a kimono style dress, and just look at the painting on that. Like, I can't express how much I love Alter. They are like top quality when it comes to the figure industry. And not only is Saber herself incredible, but she comes with a sword that lights up. Like, there's an LED in this figure to make her sword light up. Isn't that crazy?
Okay, hey guys, there's one thing I forgot to do at the hobby show, and that was to announce the winners of our prizes. So happens I'm actually in sunny UK right now at Hastings, but what a better place to announce these winners. So let's go for it. So the winner of the Pokemon desktop hide and go seek set is comment number 16, and that is from Jump and Shoot Man. I like seeing the warehouse in the back. Wouldn't mind a warehouse tour in the later episode. So, well, I think we can sort that out for you. We're trying to expand what we do on HobbyLink TV, especially our YouTube channel. So, in the future, that is definitely something we've got in mind to do. So, yeah. Anyway, congratulations. Bugs everywhere. Yeah, I'll be shipping that out to you as soon as I get back from the UK, which is next Monday. Also, the guy from the Rem figure, ReZero, unfortunately did not come back to us, so I've chosen a new one, and that is comment number 33. And let me just zoom in on that. So that's from Kamui4, and he says, "This Rem figure looks awesome, especially with the glowing horn. I read some portion of the light model and most of the available manga, but haven't watched the anime. I suggest you do. It's good. It's well animated. It's got good, it's not done badly. It's not like it's just done for the money. But anyway, sorry for the noise. It's a little bit windy here, but yeah, be sending those things off as soon as I get back to Japan. And well, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this special hobby show episode. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.